Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Limpier Cleaning Services channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood: softwashing near me. See, how many times have you typed that phrase into your search bar, staring at a grimy exterior and wishing for a magic solution? Well, friends, the magic is real, and it's called softwashing. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just power washing? Nope! While power washing blasts dirt with high pressure, soft washing uses a gentler approach. Think of it like the difference between a fire hose and a gentle shower. Soft washing uses low pressure and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to safely remove dirt, grime, algae, and mildew without harming your delicate surfaces. That means no chipped paint, stripped siding, or dented gutters, just a sparkling clean exterior that looks brand new. But the benefits don't stop there. Soft washing is also more effective. The cleaning solutions penetrate deep, reaching contaminants at the source for a longer lasting clean. Eco-friendly, we use biodegradable solutions that are safe for your family, pets, and the environment. Safer for your landscape. No more accidentally blasting away your precious plants with high pressure. Longer lasting results by removing the root of the problem. Soft washing prevents rapid regrowth, so you can enjoy a clean exterior for longer. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find this amazing soft washing near me? Well, look no further than Limpier Cleaning Services. We're a local company with a team of experienced technicians who are passionate about using the latest soft washing technology to transform your home's exterior. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and outdated methods. Choose soft washing near me with Limpier Cleaning Services and experience the difference in cleaning technology. Contact us today for a free consultation and quote, and let's make your home sparkle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Bye!